Hey there, savvy spenders. If you're a Capital One Savor cardholder, you're in for a treat, especially when it comes to dining out. This card is designed for foodies, offering up to 3% cashback on dining and entertainment, so let's break down how to use it seamlessly at restaurants. First things first, make sure your Capital One Savor card is activated. If you haven't already, log into your Capital One account online or via the app. It's quick and easy, usually just a few taps. Once that's done, pick your favorite spot. Whether it's a cozy cafe or a fancy eatery, as long as they accept Visa or MasterCard, you're good to go. Most restaurants do. Now, when you're ready to order, simply hand over your card or tap it if they have contactless payment options. It's that straightforward. While you're enjoying your meal, remember that every dollar spent on dining racks up those sweet cashback rewards. For example, if you spend $50 on dinner, that's potentially $1.50 back in your pocket. Pro tip: always check the Capital One app afterward to track your rewards in real time. It's like a little high five for your wallet. Oh, and don't forget about any special promotions. Sometimes Capital One teams up with restaurants for extra perks, so keep an eye out in the app. After your meal, just sign the receipt or approve the transaction, and you're all set. One more thing. To avoid any interest charges, pay off your balance in full each month. It's a simple habit that keeps your finances in check. Using the Capital One Savor card at restaurants isn't just about paying, it's about maximizing your everyday experiences. So, next time you're out, swipe that card and watch the rewards add up. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's eat smart and spend smarter.